Today we are replacing this light. We're gonna do it on the other side because this one's easier to get out. You just pull it. But the other side, you're gonna use a screwdriver. So what we're gonna do is I just pushed this and then it pops out. Look, that's what you push right there. Ba-ding. Okay, to get this off, you're gonna push this down. You see how that goes? Push it down and then pull it off. Okay, while I have this apart, I added in a little tab because this was pulling out and somehow somebody must have forgotten that. Okay, so we got this from the internet. I thought I had the wrong connector, but what you have to do is you have to pull this out of the old one, and then this plugs in to the light bulb holder, and then you do it like a normal light bulb. So we're gonna push that in there. Once you've installed that into there, then you're gonna hook it back up and it's gonna work perfect. When you're installing this, you're gonna wanna make sure that this little line is facing up so the plug goes on correctly. Okay, we're gonna slide the front into the little crack right there and push forward while we go in. You see that? It's nice looking. The lights are marked with a right and a left. This one's the right, which is passenger side. And so this is how it looks. I think it's gonna look good. Let's see if it works. And this is what the lights look like from the side.